9 Alpha Romeo, descend to maintain 4,000. Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo, descend to maintain 4,000.
Flight up 544, Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo.
American 2133, turn left heading 170, vector final, descend to maintain 4,000.
Left turn 170 down to 4,000 feet, American 2133.
American 1083, I'll have a base turn for you in about 2 miles.
Copy that.
Correction, Delta 1661, contact tower 118.7.
Tower 1870 to 1661, good day.
Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo, traffic to follow, 1 o'clock, 4 miles on the final, a Challenger out of 4,000, turn right heading 330.
Okay, right heading 330, looking for traffic. We have the airport in sight, Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo.
Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo, fighting 290.
Heading 290, 9 Alpha Romeo.
American 1083, fighting 350.
350, American 23.
Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo, your the turn traffic is 1 o'clock, 4 miles on the final, 3,400.
Looking, still no joy at Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo.
American 1083, Skyborough Airport, 10 o'clock, 10 miles, you have the field in sight.
We do, we're inside American 23.
1083, turn left heading 110, cleared visual approach runway 8.
110, right turn American 1083, clear visual runway 8.
Back 9 Alpha Romeo, turn right heading 050, cleared visual approach runway 7 right.
Okay, 050, cleared visual approach, 7 right, we have the traffic in sight, Medevac 9 Alpha Romeo.
American 1083, Skyborough Airport, 2 o'clock, 16 miles, you have the field in sight. For American 1083 only, there were 2 aircraft talking at once.
That's 1083, field in sight.
American 1083, turn right heading 050, cleared visual approach runway 8.
Cleared visual runway 8050, American 1083.
American 2133, traffic opposing base turning final for runway 7 right at King Air out of 4,000.
American 2133, we need to turn immediately.
American 2133, turn left heading 110, cleared visual approach runway 8.
With the visual, runway 8, American 2133, not previously cleared.
American 2133, turn left, continuing the left turn to a heading of 050 to join the final still cleared approach. The King Air has you in sight.
050, we have the King Air in sight. American 2133, we were never cleared for the approach.
American 2133, maintain visual separation with the King Air.
Maintain visual with the King Air, American 2133. And verify 9 Alpha Romeo cleared visual, 7 right.
Back 5 Alpha Romeo, affirmative.
Roger that.
Medevac 5 Alpha Romeo, thanks for the help with the visual separation. Contact tower 120.9er.
120.9er, 9 Alpha Romeo.
American 2133, thanks for the help. I think someone has stepped on your readback when I issued the clearance. I think somebody else read it back. My apologies. Contact tower 118.7.
Okay, 118.7, you had us nose to nose with traffic that was extremely dangerous.